That's a very, very niche business, let's call it that way. Very fine shoes. That's a dancing shoes. So if you are a dancer, probably not, but let's say you are, or you want to open a business with the dancing shoes, then this is the dropshipping supplier for you. You have Latin dance boots, different style, tango, also for men, also for women. So you can check more about it. Ladies shoes, you have everything casual, Latin, rhythm, salsa, standard smooth, practice Cuban heel, sneakers. Let's go dance sneakers. Let's see some example of products. You can see exactly that one pair is 89. Of course, they will not sell it to you with 89. You will have a profit. Let's go to look. What exactly distributor? I think it's here. Yes. You can see right here, you can be a distributor. They manufacture and design, and they do the marketing for these kind of shoes. E-commerce program. Yes, we do dropship. So that's amazing. They have a 40,000 square feet warehouse, and it's also yours, right? And also you can apply for affiliate if you want. If you don't want to start the dropshipping business with them, that's okay. Maybe you think, okay, this is too niche for me, for you in this case, and you just want to advertise. You can just apply for their referral program and just advertise on whatever you want, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, and so on. So, yes, there's not so much to say about it. You can just read more about on their website. You have the custom design and read if you want to design your shoes, then you can just make your own, like here, ladies and men. Let's see, men. And it's up to you. Can't find what you like. Make your own, right? You can make it your own. Good, guys. That's it for today. Please make sure you go on the Dropshipping Suppliers Hub, get your ebook. Otherwise, click on the links that I will attach in the description on this video. And I put these dropshipping suppliers. Check more careful. Make a plan. Don't forget that to subscribe, check my first video, and if you like it, this video, thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.